Welcome to Apocalypse Ready, your guide to surviving anything life throws your way.
Master the art of signaling for help in survival situations. In today's world, knowing survival skills can be a game changer. One such skill is signaling for help. Let's unfold 10 different ways to do just that. Firstly, we have the well-known SOS signal. Draw this emergency signal in the sand, snow, or with rocks to alert aerial rescuers. Make sure it's large and visible. Secondly, use mirrors or any reflective objects. The sunlight reflected can be seen miles away. Aim the reflection towards your rescuer for the best results. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of a whistle. 3 blow sets represent distress. It's loud, travels far, and is much easier than shouting. Fourthly, fire can be your savior. By day, the smoke is visible. By night, the light. Make 3 fires in a straight line or triangle to signal SOS. Fifthly, create a signal hill with branches and leaves. This elevated spot can attract attention from afar. Again, make it large and bold. Sixthly, use flares or smoke signals if you have them. They are designed for such situations and can be seen from a significant distance. Seventhly, use flags or any bright-colored material. Tie them high on trees or create large patterns on the ground to signal aircraft. Eighthly, use Morse code. If you have a torch or another light source, use short and long flashes to spell SOS. Ninthly, use trail markers to indicate your direction. Make them noticeable and consistent to guide rescuers to your location. Lastly, signal using gunshots or loud bangs. Just remember, 3 is the universal signal for distress. 3 gunshots, 3 flashes, 3 whistle blows. Remember, signaling for help is all about visibility and audibility. The signals should be large, loud, or bright enough to attract attention. Also, always make sure to conserve your energy. You don't want to waste all your strength on sending signals and have none left for survival. It's crucial to know these signals, but even more important to avoid panic. Stay calm, stay logical, and stay hopeful. These signals are not just for wilderness survival. They can also be used in urban survival situations or during natural disasters. Knowing how to signal for help can mean the difference between life and death. It's a basic survival skill that everyone should master. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of signaling for help in survival situations. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. The more prepared you are, the better your chances of survival. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more survival tips and tricks. Remember, knowledge is power. Power to survive. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.